Imagine getting a notification for $200 showing up on your boat, then another notification for $352 showing up a few hours later. And that's the beauty of this brand new method that I want to share with you today. As you can see, this brand new method that I've talked about before is very special and unique. You get paid $200 all the way up to $700. This is non-stop and there are no liars. Welcome to EarnPal. Stay with me till the end of the video. As far as I know, no one out there is willing to share this brand new method to you. I believe these people are either selfish or just don't understand the importance of this secret method at all. Okay, listen here, I'll give you 3 reasons why I love and recommend this brand new method. First, it's completely free. This is great if you're trying to save money or are on a tight budget. Second, this brand new method is readily available. You can start whenever you choose, and this approach today will run completely on autopilot, which means that you'll be paid without boundaries. You don't need to touch or change anything because it's completely passive and automated. Once you set it up, this brand new method is definitely a keeper. Anyway, I'm very excited to share with you this new method, and I hope that you're as excited as I am. So make sure to watch this video and please don't skim through it because there's something important in here somewhere. I'll be giving you a special bonus tip that you can only see on this shadow. And I'll teach you how to double or even triple your earnings for free, so skipping the entire video is something that you don't want to do. While you're here, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bells. Children do not have enough food to live a healthy and an active life. What does it take to solve global hunger? It costs 80 cents to see someone in need. But before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now let's return to the video. I'd like to make this video short, straightforward, and to the point, so let's get started. I'm also going to show you a couple of websites today, and let's get started with the first one right now. On GoTranscript, you can apply for transcription drops, which are fairly simple for anyone with no experience. A transcription job is where you're given audio files that you must listen to and type it into written words. You may think that this is a tedious job, but rest assured, you will not be transcribing any files, and if you do, it will all be done on complete autopilot, which means that you won't have to do it yourself, even if you have no experience. I just want to make it clear that you can do this brand new method that I'm sharing with you. I understand that transcription jobs can be difficult, so I won't let you do that in this video. I'll be showing you a method that is totally cool and brand new, and you can use this method to do all the transcription drops automatically. You'll be able to earn a lot of money if you stick with me until the end of this video, and the best part is that it'll be quick and easy now. As I said in the beginning of this video, it's a very powerful method that will pay you a good amount of money. Now, as I said in the beginning of this video, this is a very powerful method that will pay you well. When it comes to online transcription employment, GoTranscript offers very attractive pay rate. For example, they will pay you like 60 cents each minute of labor that you do. Now let's try to calculate that. I'll type in 60 cents, and if I multiply that by 60 minutes, I'll get somewhere around $36 to $50, or possibly even more, since the rates may change in the future. Are you still there? Great! Because what I'm going to show you now is how you can actually make a good amount of money for a second per minute or even per hour. And you can do this without even working. So relax and keep watching and we'll get you some money. You must first create an account on this website, which I will show you how to do step by step. And correctly just follow my steps because this is a very important part of the process. So do you see that orange button right there that says apply now? I want you to click on that button. And you will be redirected to this page where you will sign up and provide some information. So just type your email in this box and your password in this box. It's simple, huh? That's the complete sign-up process right there. And this website will be our first income stream. Okay, now let's move on to the second website. The second income stream, which is located at Scribby.com. Another website that is comparable to GoTranscript is Scribby. You may also do transcription jobs here, but as I previously stated, you will not be doing any transcription work. You will only need to set up these websites and then sit back and enjoy your passive money. You might be wondering why you need to register with so many websites. Well, it's because I want to assist you in creating as many income streams as possible. This method worked for me and it will work for you. Always remember that the more websites you sign up for, the more passive income you will be able to generate. Just keep in mind that some websites may not function properly or may be down, and these websites may not provide you with job opportunities at all, which is why it's important to diversify your income sources by signing up for different websites. Because, if you put all of your eggs in one basket and it blows up, you've got a big problem. So now we're gonna sign up for a free account on Scribby.com and start transcribing audio files. This website will pay you a lot of money, and I'll show you exactly how to do with that automatically. I'd like you to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see Join Scribby as a transcriber. Click on the blue button that reads Apply Now for transcription test, and it'll take you to this page where you can see how much money you can make on this website. You can earn $5 to $25 every audio hour in US dollars, and you can download virtual files in 10 minutes or less. So this will cost you somewhat less than the full streams of income on GoTransfer.com. These are the two streams of revenue that you can accomplish right now. According to lifehack.org, there are about making money online, thousands, millions, enough. Probably, but there's a problem. Too many of them are just sales pitches to convince you to sign up for some webinar, seminar, training session, or some other way to become an online millionaire. They really give online money making a bad name. But it is possible to make money online. The people selling all of those millionaire pitches are making money, right? There are legitimate ways to make money online. The problem is that the real ways to make money aren't get-rich-quick schemes. Most of them require a lot of work and sometimes a lot of dedication before seeing a return on your time. But if you really want to make money online, work from home, or turn an idea into a business, you can do it. Many of these options are real jobs that require you to put in hours if you want to get paid. They also require real work. One of these is the one we mentioned. Thanks for watching this video. We hope that this was worth watching.